Presenting a pre-owned 2013 BMW 750 Li. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 43,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include lighting package, sport package, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, CD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.